Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone, how are you and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to make another versions of the beautiful drawstring bag. Well, the material I use are polyester yarns, a 3mm crochet hook from Tulip, a stitch marker, trapezoid needle, and a pair of scissors. To begin, I will make a slip knot. You can make slip knot using whichever method you prefer. This is how I make it. Then I will make 81 chains. This is one last chain. Okay, the foundation chain for this beautiful drawstring bags are ready, and these are what they look like. After making 81 foundation chains, I will make 19 rows of reversible single crochet. Each row consists of 80 single crochet plus a turning up. This is the first single crochet. The first single crochet is made in the second chains from the hook. This one is the second single crochet. So make one single crochet in each of these chain stitches. Then make a turning up and repeat the single crochet on the next row. And this one is the last row or the 19th row. So I will have 20 side stitches. This one is the last stitch for the last single crochet. I'm making the last single crochet. Well, the bottom part of this drawstring bag is already. Now I will show you there are 4 corner stitches which need to be filled with 2 single crochet. This is the first corner stitch. This one is the second corner stitch. This one is the third corner stitch. This one is the last corner stitch. Each corner stitch needs to be filled with 2 single crochet. Before I continue the work, I like to put a stitch mark on the top of the last single crochet. You can do the same because by putting a stitch marker, it will be easy for you to remember the starting point. Now I will continue the work. I will make 1 single crochet in each of these side stitches. This is my first single crochet. This one is the second single crochet. Make 1 single crochet in each of these side stitches. There are 2 single crochets left before the corner stitch, before the first corner stitch. This is the first corner stitch, so I will make 2 single crochets in it. Okay, this is the first single crochet. This is the second one. Then make 1 single crochet in each of the next stitches. This is the second single crochet. Keep making 1 single crochet in each of the next stitches until you meet the second corner stitch. This is the second corner stitch. I will make 2 single crochet in it. Then I will make 1 single crochet in each of the next stitches until I make the third corner stitch. Okay, the next one is the third corner stitch. I'll make 2 single crochet in this stitch. Then make 1 single crochet in each of the next stitches. I'm approaching the last corner stitch. Okay, now I'll take out the stitch marker and I'll make 2 single crochet in this last stitch. After this, I will make 2 chains. These chains are the turning up. Then I will make 1 double crochet in each of the stitches. 1 round of double crochet. This one is the last stitch. I'll make the last double crochet in this stitch, then I make a slip stitch. This slip stitch is made on the top of the first double crochet, not on the top of the 2 chains. Then I'm gonna make the main pattern. It starts with 2 chains. These 2 chains are considered the first double crochet. Then I'll make 3 more double crochet, 1 double crochet in each of the next stitches. This is the first double crochet. This one is the second double crochet. This one is the third normal double crochet. So the total amount of the double crochet are 4, including the 2 chains. After that, make 1 purpose triple crochet through the body of the next double crochet. Skip 1 stitch or skip 1 double crochet, then make 1 purpose triple crochet through the body of each of the next 3 double crochet. This is the first purpose triple crochet. This one is the second purpose triple crochet. This one is the third purpose triple crochet. After making these 3 purpose triple crochet, make 1 purpose double triple crochet through the body of the skipped double crochet. This is the purpose double triple crochet. After making this, make 1 purpose triple crochet through the body of the next double crochet. You need to remember this pattern. Okay, the first pattern done. This first pattern is made of the multiple of 10. Continue the work and repeat the pattern. Make 1 double crochet in each of the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this pattern starts with 4 double crochet, then make 1 purpose triple crochet, skip 1 stitch, then make 1 triple crochet through the body of the next 3 triple crochet, through the body of next 3 double crochet, sorry. This one is the second purpose triple crochet. This one is the third purpose triple crochet. After making these 3 purpose triple crochets, make 1 double triple crochet through the body of the skipped double crochet. make one triple crochet, front post treble crochet through the body of the next double crochet. Okay, done. The second pattern are done. Then repeat the pattern again. Make 4 double crochet or 1 double crochet in each of the next 4 stitches. Okay, done. Have a look. This is what the pattern looks like. It's so beautiful and amazing. To complete these patterns, I'm gonna jump to the end of this round. This is the first treble crochet, the front post treble crochet, then skip 1 stitch and make 1 front post treble crochet through the body of the next 3 double crochet. Just like before, after making 3 front post treble crochet, make 1 front post double treble crochet through the body of the skips double crochet. Then make 1 front post treble crochet, the last front post treble crochet for this first round. After that, make a slip stitch on the top of the normal double crochet, not on the top of the 2 chains. The first round is complete now. I will make 2 chains to start the second round. These 2 chains are considered as the first double crochet. Then I will make 1 double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. This one is the third double crochet. The amount of the double crochet for including the 2 chains. After making this 4 double crochet, I will make 1 front post treble crochet through the body of the previous front post treble crochet. Skip 1 stitch and make 1 front post double crochet through the body of the previous front post treble crochet. Then 1 front post treble crochet through the body of the previous front post treble crochet. One front post treble crochet through the body of the previous front post double treble crochet. There are 3 front post treble crochets. After making these 3 front post treble crochets, make 1 front post double treble crochet through the body of the skip front post treble crochet. Okay, it's complete. Then make 1 front post treble crochet through the body of the previous front post treble crochet. The first pattern of the second round is complete. To start the second pattern, make 1 double crochet in each of the next 4 stitches. After this, make a front post treble crochet through the body of the previous front post treble crochet. Continue the pattern, repeat it over and over again until you get the height you desire. This is the last round of the main pattern. Now I'm making the front post treble crochet through the body of the previous front post treble crochet. Then I will skip 1 stitch I make one front post treble crochet through the body of the previous front post treble crochet, another front post treble crochet through the body of the previous front post treble crochet, the third front post treble crochet through the body of the previous front post double treble crochet. Make a front post double treble crochet through the body of the skips front post treble crochet. Then make one last front post treble crochet. Okay, done. Then make a slip stitch on the top of the very first double crochet knot on the top of the 2 chains. The main pattern is complete. For the next part, I'm gonna make 6 rounds of double crochet. Start with 2 chains, and I will make 1 double crochet in each of the next stitches to complete each round. This is the first double crochet. This one is the second double crochet. Keep making 1 double crochet in each of the next stitches. When you are here, make 1 double crochet on the top of the previous front post double crochet, 1 double crochet in this stitch, 1 double crochet in this next one stitch, 1 double crochet in this next one stitch, 1 double crochet in this next one stitch. Okay, 1 double crochet in this next one stitch. This one is the end of the last round. Make 1 double crochet in each of the next remaining stitches. Okay, complete. Then make a slip stitch on the top of the normal double crochet. After making this, I will make 1 round of single crochet as the final touch. This one is the last stitch. Now I'm gonna make a slip stitch on the top of the first single crochet. Cut yarn and hide the yarn tail. Okay, this beautiful drawstring bag is ready, and this is what it looks like. This is its final look. I have attached a drawstring rope and its handle. Well everyone, I hope you like this pattern. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you have something to say about it, kindly leave your comment below. See you again on the next video. Have a good day and happy crochet!